My name is Dr. Bhairavi Shankar. I am a planetary scientist and founder of Indus Space Inc. here in the Greater Toronto area. I guess I got my earliest interests in astronomy as a young child when I asked my mom to take photos of just the day sky, whether there were clouds or not. However, as a teenager, I got to witness a passing comet that really captured my interests even more. Later on, during my grade 11 and grade 12 journey, I got to volunteer and do a co-op placement. And through both experiences, I was able to catch my very first total lunar eclipse on a cold Canadian winter night. And later, I was able to use one of the telescopes at a local university to observe sunspots on the sun for a few months. Both experiences really motivated me to pursue astronomy and later planetary science as a career. As a graduate student, my research focused on understanding the geological history of impact craters on the lunar far side. This involved using satellite imagery from missions that are still ongoing. I'm now excited to showcase several South Asian professionals who, through their research journey and expertise, have helped us understand more about our sun, our own home planet, or the moon, or even our universe beyond. Join me as we take a look at some of these professionals. Dr. Deepak Dhingra from India is a planetary geoscientist who researches melted rocks within impact craters on the moon. He has used a combination of spectral datasets in the visible and near-infrared range from instruments on board missions like NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, Japan's Kaguya mission, and India's Chandrayaan-1 to determine the mineralogy of rocks in more detail. Dr. Parvati Prem from India is a staff scientist at the Johns Hopkins University Applied Physics Laboratory. She investigates the origin and distribution of water in our solar system. Through computational modeling and satellite data, she explores the distribution of water in dark shadowed regions around the poles of our moon, Mercury, and other bodies with thin atmospheres. Temperatures in these areas are extremely cold, where volatiles and water can remain stable over billions of years. This offers a unique perspective on how water and other volatiles may have been transported and deposited to the inner solar system. Nandita Kumari from India is a doctoral candidate and engineer at Stony Brook University in the field of geosciences. She uses instrument data in the visible and infrared regions aboard NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter to research space weathering on the moon. She is part of a national team that evaluated the surface conditions and resource accessibility, and ultimately recommended 2 candidate landing sites for the current Artemis missions to the moon. In 2023, she was awarded the Amelia Earhart Fellowship from Zonta International, an award that recognizes top 30 women pursuing PhD or doctoral degrees in aerospace engineering and space sciences each year.